Hey everybody, it's Kevin with Texas Yard Man and More. Today I'm out here picking some banana peppers. These are the sweet banana peppers, and I've got some good size ones here that I'm just going to go ahead and pick, and thinking about maybe canning these for later use. So I've got my cutters here and I've got a bowl, but I just figured get some of these picked so we can grow some more. So you can see these are all pretty decent sized. That one looks like an icicle. Here's another group of them back here. Just gonna go ahead and grab that one. These seem to just pull right off, so that's a good sign that they're ready to be harvested. Another good sized one. This one's curly. Here's another one. This one's got a little bit of the leaves attached. We'll come over here to this one. It's a good sized one. And if you're worried about pulling some of the stems off, you can just simply twist the pepper till it comes off. There's a really big one. You'll see these eaten on sandwiches, pickled. I'm doing the twist method here. That one just twisted off. And let's look down here. This one came off. This one's not as long, but it's got a fatter size to it. Same with this one here. These are the low hangers. And we'll let that one grow a little bit. Here's a good one. Gonna twist this one off. Twist and pull. These, I could probably pick this one. But as long as you keep harvesting them, they will continue to grow more. So don't be afraid to pick them thinking that that's all you're gonna get, because you will get more that grow. You can see all the flowers. This one here is just starting. And if you look around, there's flowers on here. Those are the beginnings of a new pepper. So anywhere you get flowers, that's going to turn into a pepper. So don't be afraid to pick them. This is a little stubby, short, fat one. And lots of peppers this year, which that's good. Peppers are good for all kinds of things. Salsas, sandwiches, cooking dishes. Oh, we got some really good peppers growing here. These are the Yolo Wander peppers. They kind of look like a bell pepper shape. I'm gonna let those grow a little bit longer before I pick those, but today we're just picking a lot of these sweet banana peppers. And you can see we've got a nice harvest. It's a good harvest right there. Lots of different cultures like certain types of peppers. There's a nice little pepper growing right here. That's a Megatron pepper. These are all Megatrons. Megatrons are a type of a jalapeno pepper. So they're always creating new varieties. And over here I've got some more eggplant growing. Some good size ones. Nice one here. Probably gonna pick this tonight. But there you have it. Lots of peppers growing here. And I've got another pepper plant over here. This is a sweet pepper as well. It's called a Better Bell 5. And it is starting to flower there. And then here's an actual pepper right there. So we're going to watch that grow. Anyhow, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one. Take care.